Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Zia. Today I'm going to talk about leadership. This is my fifth lecture, second part of fifth lecture. Leaders most of the times they face negativity among their employees or among their followers. So one of the biggest problems of leaders is to deal with reports or the employees who are excessively negative. So, how to battle negativity? Negativity can corrupt the work environment. For leaders to identify various strategies to deal with negative employees or followers, I have 12 different negative employees symbols or kinds or types that will help you to become a good leader by identifying those negative resistors or negative followers. Out of those 12, number 1 is what we call the resistors. Number 2, the wobbly. Number 3, the gossipers. Number 4 is the blamers. Number 5, the victims. Number 6, the adhesives. Number 7, the pessimists. Number 8, the boilers. Number 9, the complainers. Number 10, the choosers. Number 11, the detached. And last, number 12, the self absorbed. Now we are going to talk about one by one about these. Number 1, the resistors. How can you identify that these are the resistors? What is the example? What can be the identity of resistors? The resistors, they rail against anything different. Whatever different or new comes in, they rail against that. They do not support something new in the system. So you identify that they are one of the resistors. Number 2, wobbly. Who are they? They are consistently shifting moods from one to other and expect others to adjust to them. So they are the wobbly. They shift moods and they expect that others should adjust themselves with them. Number 3, gossipers. Who are they? They are the negative followers. They spread rumors and tell inappropriate personal tidbits. Number 4, blamers. They are the negative followers. They are constantly blaming others for their mistakes. Number 5, victims. They are the negative followers or employees. They believe people are out there to get them and everybody may or anybody may use them. Number next is adhesive, means number 6 is adhesive. They can't let go even things that happened years ago. They stick to those things which happened to them. Number next is pessimists. The negative followers, they always expect the worst case scenario, means they look for the half empty glass of that example, what we say half full and half empty. The next is boilers. They will blow over the slightest provocation and they keep on boiling inside, and they look for any sort of situation and they blow over slightest provocation. Next, complainers. Complainers are the negative followers. They feel everything is wrong or will go wrong soon. So they keep complaining that this is not good or that is not correct according to the system. Next is choosers. They are the negative followers. They are constantly pitting one group against other. The next negative followers or employees are called the detached. The detached are they feel most everything is dumb or beneath them. So they keep themselves separate. They say that it's not according to my standard. The next one is called self absorbed, or the last one is called self absorbed negative followers or negative employees. They are constantly grabbing credit or attention for themselves. All right, so at the end, I would request you to pause my video and give some actual examples where you have used some of the strategies in the group or to identify such negative followers. The conversation will probably move towards the question which I am going to pose here. What do you what to do with the individual who does not respond to these strategies? All right? My name is Dr. Zia. I request you to subscribe, press the bell icon, and share with your fellows. See you in my next lecture. I thank you very much.